world must know.
Yo.
We're
doing it for Dave Hammer. Voltage. Cornerstone G. Okay, alright. Well, it's a boom style.
I'm Mobi Baba Dave Hammer TV. So Hana near my papa Nina. Well, my answer be subscribe to the channel by just clicking on the red button. Send a baby back into action. Already, Ubenya ya Mwakwaba. Make sure say Bibia Boko. We are second nim. They say near Messi son and quantity. No, now you black and white. And as they say, buy an abba colored and can another picture cry. You try to say, no be that form and then mass son. This time around, the choir face a fast painted them, no, as it's a be eba. Now, Machia, one gentleman be or introduce you a new style of getting a room into a different design. Omo friend, a wallpaper design. Many a brandy ababishia, maybe Busani Dina, how I deal with, see discover, yeah. Aba almost sunny may and from so de beba and a young fast so de bebre na yebeka wasem tiemo akwa baba Dave Hammer TV so that time mo akwa ba
mejusu minwa
na bibia boko ya hwem camera ni mbam bibia boko
nyame adaruma bibia boko pa
de nyame ase do me ho ye pa
de nyame ase
na udini company ndi ese
Medindi David Opon anase Kofi Amponsa. Company name no ye Dafit Deco. Dafit Deco. Yeah.
Dafit Deco.
Yes.
Momo ye decorations, right?
Yeah, decoration. Any type of interior decoration. Even you're adding more to it. Yes, I compound. Stamp concrete. Any near Bibri. Yes.
Stamp concrete.
Yes.
Yeah.
It is said there, washishe tiles, ofie compound, no. Yeah, and also a canwa chess and near my baby. In terms of decoration, there, ye bibia said there, ye bema do so any I just said you mupe mufie said there.
Okay, she say mupe say jai a demo pintiana.
Yes, sir, but the woman say. And fast also say, obey you wallpaper, a woofy no, a chance obey you paint, and fast obey blame also. Say a cassia compare disadvantages a wall painting more than wallpaper. Wallpaper one disadvantage, and they say a tiki year installers no more time than painting. That is the only disadvantage.
Okay. Okay, there's a more dated tire horn no. It take more time.
Yes. But apart from that, there if you are obeying me up a passo, so in case BB and Kuye or who are easy to clean and to repair it until not just a ma wallpaper no a dance a chance will be painting.
Creative arts enema ya yitimidi yakoma ya dwene ne yenim de yitimi nwene ema di bi for ba which is an intellectual property ya dwene ne de create say wallpaper so aba be ka ho designs no mo na mo de mo adwene de ba na say ya dada
designs no ya de a ya ne dada because the ba no European standard. Said the enemy wallpaper, say a tier no sa pepe near deba. Yam fabin film and yam fabin son count. Said the use no Europe no. The same even in Europe no cry pay the best. The quality one no near sa deba Ghana. And nuntina me meti Holland there but me call Germany and the koto wallpaper deba Ghana because in Europe, they are classified German wallpaper, say no, they're the best. Until no soon, I mean, so me person me debre me for Ghana.
See, mo person yet say abrochirifo.
Sa pepe.
You use wallpaper and you paint.
The omni say, and the pepe wa abrochirino. Also, and so you timid be baha because the omni say bruni say be on my heart no on fabi before free hand kwa abrochiri. Obe pese be valuable. Until se so. Ya transi ni ashishe si ya dinye meba ye mpesi ya di inferior goods biya beba original na ewa brochira oko shops a oko meet no the same thing yenso ye de bagana.
David Opon, right? of David Deco. And share with Dave Hammer TV. So it's all about changing our designs in our room. And they say, you know, paint, you know, you paint with them. In terms of cost, any wallpaper, which one is the best?
I know the Basa, their wallpaper is the best.
Wallpaper is cheaper than paint?
Yes.
And
they say, wallpaper, so we install here. In the lifetime, the minimum of 15 years. So you see wallpaper, papa, wallpaper, papa, any group, papa, minimum of 15 years. So not just more than 15 years. It can take you 20, 30 years. Be just a wow brand, no, I can say, okay, this time I want to change it. So provided say we use original wallpapers, you know, because now no, baby your town and check ne fade. And no say no. My mom for abamubu wallpaper home, but yes, you will say, ye beshe yamun crying. Ye bemumo who say, wallpaper no, a idea, a bois, ne save cost. Se unya papa nanas auto original non quadia, a save cost.
Okay. How would we know say we original, we in your original?
Yes. Said the noon say, ye Ghana has standard board crash say obia bibia on fast sticker near barcode a classified product to be an asset. It shows say standard board for a checking no man say a standard sir anti European wallpaper and I say German wallpaper bia and so no I want the barcode anti one no bet me use barcode no say be China once no any barcode. And I said the work room be no any barcode. Okay. Enti me installer is no. Se me koto paper bi o a edawa who said the city. But barcode no so na e ma me who say oh product in the finishing need to say because me scanner e be wallpaper ne finished product work na mame. No me who say oh okay any say na be enti no me ni je ho ana me ni nye ho but o hwe dodo na o kroma na China one na barcode ni ho okay enti bibia no e be kire o say o finishing say na be na two eno so no ya na wallpaper bia na yesa wo instructions wo ho I see amount say bia wo kra obi onim ye kra no company bia providing instructions how to install it. Oh, okay. But with China one ne dodo ne okrom no ba kokra nu a ekuta bi kwen be fa so dia tetare dem no e bi ni ho no friend installing na na say manual. Okay. E be fa say ko mama manual obetimi dey apply we no but e dey ne ye nche no say wo ko no ape eye sell starch bi na wo dey fetch na dey tetare ho sa tetare na nika dey obi aba obeka say wo dey say nye dey na so no say adwuma bia no yesua na usua so na hu a eno na me hu say wo sua de no no hu e obi o a obetality said the okay ya but hu a hu say oh we try there but the best nye enough so enti sanetie yesua you need bibia mu no hia professionals no maye no said there o say ye pepe because ye adwene say ye ba na ene pa ye kwa brochira ye ko no ye nso ye de ba ha na e ha nso no amrofo no nso ba o ma hu say ye nso ye nka achi ye ne o mu nyina ye pe what side effect be na say be amode child dem a was sent be and I say o de child any side effect be there be me pacho there be any side effect be na mom no ma obusa we no ma menka men correct e bi wa boys bebre o ha o mu install wallpapers ni bia me te say bi mu use carpenter's glue but me fa konya we so de akire yenuanom ne say emoa one carpenter's glue o hwe tiles here wa fefefe ya chemicals or carpenter's glue nim esoso a ebe breachi tiles no and two because of chemical reaction no suntino wallpaper near den and two bones say fight back to the bio almost say install wallpapers it be about 2 weeks na why na 3 days because paper na better than it is a wood. Okay. And fighting the way back. Tia no ne man why no. But here the glue. So original from Germany aba. Okay. And no on tally man why. The more air channel crown air stronger. And no soon side effect biya. Any smell biya na say scent biya a disturbable biya.
Wallpaper. Until when you paint, you design, you be na painting.
There be. Wallpaper.
Where did the assets why it is and to my view?
Sanity. Wallpaper ni omu difference. Bebre. Aha. And to we no equality no enko. And now we a bit rough. Now we near smooth. Yeah.
They say obi pebi won it there ma obi use be how many rows and they are for 1 bedroom.
Oh, standard room the emfa say e be between 5 and 6 rows. And be depending but kakre they say we say hanu ya na dodo na obi a demo size na nyepe. Intibeti me aba say 5 beso obi there be 6.
Painting now office was a giant paint ni use wallpapers at the year for your bedrooms any hole in number.
Yes. One the mechanic say on say it here so AC. AC no I so no. I also cool them ha. Wallpaper so you su papa nko there. A serve as heat resistance because fiber and the fiber content no man serve as heat resistance. And here 1, 2 said the D kind economical to the extent say it take longer time so and say and then you fin cry now they are there fast so I know what year free so paintings won't mean to so near the other and that is some of the advantages a man use wallpaper a boapa na can say yeah no see use because we use to have save cost we use wallpaper check into bemo as save cost
15 years 9 years
more minimum na 15 years yeah
and then wallpaper at the pro the papa you bet me some of the designs are odia bana ya kan ho asem kakra odi
me wo kakra wa we see
that's a carpet too
I sanity but wallpaper me wo we so
na yentimi nye bi wo Ghana
ha ni ye de bibia nu a yentimi nye nu ha ye betimi aye se yenya plant na ye di ye no a
we bia
yes we
that's a paper pa
paper pa but enye paper pa
I see
because we craft fiber content near too high. I see we fiber content near high pa
we near the board down one nice painting no yes
until we say near one project bebre or this particular one the full row ni this time no amount for any home pa because we serve 3D no more and the fiber content no say high pa juma kama
na me bisa say die me bi Ghana
ye betimi aye but ni nyina ne ekwan pa na ye befa so aye no see ye bi wo China but you who say enye up to standard so enti say ye befa kwan pa no so aye dia possible say you be use the right materials no any machines any accessories no near dia so
wow Ebusia mene Mr. David Opon of Dafit Deco and Eshia Dave Hammer TV. So, and it's all about the new, improved way of living. Yes, of changing your room to a different level. And all that they are saying is that wallpaper, there's a 15 years, you saw, bit my charm rather than paint. Wow, that's a paint. Yeah, I'll bit my paper.
Paint. You can't so bit me paper, but in Ghana. In paint ahodo ayato ene kwan de afaso so enti enye nisa keke wallpaper no de ye di ho adanse na dodo na so age atum se de ye ka no enye ntro
the producer say na so obi tro so obi tro mu pen ne obi tro ba tro pen so
oh eno de ye can no cray one. Se nipa ne tro se ya na wo paper ebeko. On se pen ink. But a cha ene na kaso. But no cra no ye wo we a onyusu soap no odin. O de napkin na say duster bi. Ebe soku ho ne kakra bi. Na afi wa massage no ebeko.
Okay. Yeah. Na insuo kana entity
there be enuntina ema fiber na ewom ni hia no sao paper rentina me de bae
no ya se bi bufu na me to sachet water pour down na bia
enu de ene na onye hwe kra ti se wato bo abo so ataso no enye hwe because me she that way wa chode na hu no
adiri wo se
asawa no ne fiber na ewom no enti eno no ene asa compact paper na kan enti we say si ehwie nsuo gu ha ebetimi adi be 1 hour ebehwie gu paper no emfo nya hwe emfo nya hwe
I see
yeah
wow abusia ye twan ho aba ye ba ye ne Dafit Deco ebeto aso. This is Dave Hammer TV ye ba sisia
yo I'm for way am so for me den de kwaku me no me catch us way Dave Hammer TV Kumasi de ye ka Dave Hammer Hello FM why ba kope ba the TV so na me gine what you say I know the Santo ya Santa ya bolombo I'm love it.
Welcome back to Dave Hammer TV. This is Showbiz Papa B. We are talking about creativity in creative arts. Right about now, and son, quite your first CC demo decorations, and your son, it just said painting on the before be wow bit me. I owe them, every man I have, every man I come, every man designs. And no, na me, I mean, David Opon of Dafit Deco. Introduce to Ache. I see the wallpaper. Boss, now it is so far. A man for started use now. How is the response?
Oh, no cranny, Nyamia Daruma. Any response near high. A man for a use. A papa. When you GD na papa.
How many years ni?
Oh, paper a buy Ache. Because me way back at me was school. And I near your wallpaper. But near no as practical as it was school. Okay. But that time no, not Ghana for ni young who ni bebre. Me as someone making over 20 years ago. Okay. So, but then dia ye ni nyano hampo and ye you soon no fear. But near tray was school because we are painting and decoration. We wallpaper no and so play a role. Okay.
And who say you go M4. Okay. I still see this as expensive than painting.
We no nye expensive.
I did now, Kasha.
Say the ceremony say You why I say you say almost every year biano you be paint because painting na wa na efin.
You na painting nya papa.
Eno ne asem no. Say paint at the end the more papa no ne bo na ekosro. Enti wo di paint bi be compare wallpaper no kra na. Obe hu say wallpaper mo ma eden efu. Ena eno nso achi no. Wo ye wallpaper na it take you ages. Years. Enti fani say every year bia no metal paint fani say metal paint 200 cedis for example na me wallpaper ne be take me 500 na 500 ne de me cover 15 years and more me ba cho multiply 200 no by 15 no a who say wa save scampo bebre
that's true and the no cre and then also some different designs, right?
A mouth fee in the effect. If you near fatches, a wow ref you are, Otimus were neaji. And I dare back on so they say, after say wakoye Jumadin, now Befino, also row fiena. Refino, the moment I'll be refino, or say Brenna or Brenning Akranetico because said the Fio Citino. Enso ma obre no kra no efri osoko enti sa na mrofo no broni se oye ni fie adwuma en ha no because omo life na yet say ni fie eni na adwuma e no spending more time enti se wa bre na o anase wa cause stress na o ba fie no I also who say if okodru fie a ne wura acheche na ni age so hu de tie no enti ya na hu hia pa say ye besiesi ye fie ye aye ne se de ye pe un se nipa bebre o ho akweti se oh ena mi pie ko the way environment neti no manage pa but the same environment no betimi aye bi o fie amada bia because e ho de okọ once bi o ba o fie o de oti ho de bia ti ho kra no se oye hoye pa
enti say utusu say abrochefo esi omo dan wo Ghana ha abrochefo ye projects omo offices okay him fani betima ye paperwork
wallpaper there no crane offices schools churches hotels restaurants say baby our individual homes any public places bia no yetimi ye wallpaper no last time ye show bi man bi ehu me ye no eba TV so nti man bi hu say no o si hotel wa ha but open no say oye no European standard no to sheda ko Dubai and no buy Europe also buy no hu say baby okoye bia no wallpaper na dey display or walls ne ade into yes into no hu say yes I show na near your Kumasi more no ba ho ono na be kan sa asem we kire me say na ni age say wa benya sa niema we wa because okoye de okun ye no aha nti wallpaper there now no bia o pese oye no bia otimi ye yeah
tina broche for a person who see omo dine omo pese omo ye restaurants offices omo nyina betima contact Dafit Deco right
sa pepe
we na money saying we na
my telephone number is 055 70 30 736 055 70 30 736
yes. Okay, before we say bye bye to you o see who din show gusua ennonom no enti say eboye dem na say nsuo me bakra hwe nsuo gu ana say tea gu ametima be pa amana sa ko anamboa this is water o ka say hwe nsuo gu ma wana wa nti we dey me pese o ye nsenkyerene no ya nsuo na wo yi ai we dey ye nkokra nsuo na wo yi hwe gu me hwe ade say ampa
yo China one ni bi nso ha bitimi so ahwe no anase behu difference no
tudi nsuo na guma ti nsuo guma me hwe nsuo no amanfo hu say nsuo gumpa okay yes that's what
because of when the people we are hardened because you had na contain fiber enti ama enye normal paper biem.
I see.
Enye normal paper biem ti said there yenuanum nu enimu ewo outside no. So entimi no nom no.
Wow.
Entimi no nom no.
Unbelievable.
Entimi no. Ebeso entimi kra nko bia ebeta aso se ya na the good side ne say we are in the wall enti sensuo no kra gu ho a ebe drop it down enti entimi nsoku paper no. Yeah.
We ebe kwa anka akọ ebe ko anka akọ enti I think it's okay, we can pour it back into the glass and
yeah. Okay. Me yen kakra kra yen hwe ni sei na yenuanu mu hu se eyensu ampa na.
That's good.
Sa penti after no.
Okay, so this is the okay.
Ka baby a say kra no color ni be peel off. But on say still a na nya hwe.
Okay, I for say that you say that yes. This is it. Yes. And the back is actually. That's unbelievable. Wow. Now see China for the
ayo bi wa hasi ya no na
say you be product into bad now me enjoy no.
Said the microphone be hu difference no. Unse me can be about barcode no. We say ni barcode no. So any eno na miskania ebeyi product we no ne finish eyi naba by so China one na any barcode bia because ya na nkrofo type bisa se bede ne difference no eno nti na ama me yes a demonstration we ena we no therefore ikra no say o scratch ya scratch but we say no scratching the ketwa bia on say enti ama for ba omu complain say nye papa but we be busa nimu o turn away o se me turn e bia edum na maka che say wa ma ha dia minti min kan wasem because me product ni there me jimi product ni di enti sana etie enchirimu kakra ebetimi akire na the exams so ana say test ayeye no ye hu say China one and contain fiber bia enti new resistance to bibia bibia ya na mostly the installers ne ka say omu di glue ne fa so a o hang no bon say baby on sasono atiaka on sem because of fiber na enimu no. Yeah.
I am Mr. David Opon say the new way of getting our room decorated instead of using paint. Yes, I think the world is changing, so we need to at least educate the world. Yeah, that's it for your time.
Me so madam was
be person ohunwa himfa no mra location when
your location no Ashtown KO ye ben UMB Bank na your house number near KO 101 your Dura Plus building name aye KO 101 Ashtown.
Now telephone number ni bi
your telephone number near 055 7030 736 055 7030 736. Medasi.
Yada Mr. David Opon wase ebi ana wo bibia peso ketwatwo ekwanya ho.
Okay, medasi minua. De kan say David Deco ya ba say yenso ye beboa yenuanom ne adofo a ewo Ghana. Adwuma ne ye no Holland emamrofo na anije ho omuboy abaso enti ho ase ye meye no yenso ye krom na ye be ne enye no kwa ye de ne ma papa naba said ye si yusu no Holland ne abrochire ba bi aka no saa ne ye de aba na ade ba konso ne se enye wallpaper ne nso nko ane ye bibia about decoration Your carpet tiles or your woolen carpet. Your best shanty set tiles. And your wooden floor and so your spotlight, Philips. And your LED strip light and so and near my baby account. Now, said the iron, any baby now so any jehon say, Omubesia, a Jumano, no more ye because a bimu yebi, but omo bread. Enti amasa akwanya no nso se ye number na ebubo e no a woni gye ho se wo pese usua no ye de e bia plan to se ye be kire obia na onso wanya adwuma bi a wo de betu anamo e da se
yes you da se my namesake Mr. David Opon Nyamisha se enema e ko nanim na so obie ani wo sa enema no ai enti ye da se location ni bi mo se wen.
A location near Ashtown, Daffy Deco, Ashtown, house number KO101. A Duraplast building, Nimo, a bank UMB Bank, Ashtown, Main Street in Neso.
Okay, yeda Mr. David Opon Asi. I am my name, yes. Yeda 4 Gardens for Asi, officers mess, Rusha Hannah, and Mr. David Wisha, higher come up. I am nice. But what they are never had, maybe D. Anytime we are PBR, and that's a conference meeting. There was high and nice 4 Gardens. Kumasi, yes, 4 Gardens. But what they are never had one of these days. You do be quiet about that. I know a branchy to your left. Na baba to 4 Gardens so ye aduane kama wasi sanso na obetimi adwodwo ho agyewa ho meso e wasi tie da obi bia se me nua ba Abnada pa be boy chidom Nyamisha sanso na me nua ba Patra and ye location managers Nyamisha pa odundu me be share bi concern is Swagat Prince be obi a michiao. Enjoy the best of Dave Hammer TV and always get the action yakrabo nyina.
Yo. We're doing it for Dave Hammer. Voltage. Cornerstone G. Okay, alright. Well, it's a boom style.